Panama, many communities live hours away from the nearest health center. That's why Global Brigades works deep in rural regions where access is limited but commitment runs deep. Together, we support clinics, strengthen public health, and empower local leaders to build lasting change.
People in these communities don't usually have access to healthcare professionals or a health center for that matter. They will have to take either a bus ride or a taxi ride, which would take 2 or 3 hours to get to the main city. So that's why Global in Panama and worldwide, we focus, and that's why we bring the doctors to the communities and provide them with the medication, the empowerment, the charla, the supplies they may need.
En muchas ocasiones los sistemas de salud no cumplen los estándares para las personas que están ahí, sus necesidades. Y muchas veces por estar en una comunidad apartada, una comunidad rural, no tienen al alcance esas posibilidades y les cuesta bastante. Siento que es una acción muy bonita poder hacer esto y así contribuir al crecimiento y la calidad de vida de esas personas.
Every conversation, every clinic, every moment becomes a part of something bigger, something that can't be measured, only felt. In Panama, every step forward is built together. What will this experience mean to you?
I think the medical brigades are important because it comes down to this idea that being there for others is sort of what we're called to do. And if you can make that one person smile and a little more joyous, then I think we've really made a good change, and it really makes us see what truly is life.
I think for me, one of the most exciting things about a brigade is the tangibility of what we do. Even if it's like a small little thing, like just providing some, quick medications or a quick consult with a doctor, that impact is just, it's absolutely amazing to see that.
Your role while on a brigade is active, immersive, and rooted in partnership. Learning happens station by station, side by side, with local professionals and community members. You're part of a collaborative journey towards better care. Are you ready?
For this brigade, we're having different stations, and I'm about to introduce you to each of them. So first, we're having intake, which is in charge of some people from the community, and we take the patient's ID number. After that, they walk with a runner to triage, in which we take their vitals, BP. After that, they get to the consultation. Depending on the symptoms and everything, they talk to the doctors. They will get referred to either PT, nutrition, or get a rapid test. And after that, they will go to charla, and then finally, pharmacy to pick up their prescription by the doctor. For the dental station, we'll do procedures like extractions, cleaning, filling, screening.
Dental health in general is a big thing. That's the first thing when you see when you look at someone is mostly their smile. So I've only been, it's only my second day, and I've already seen a huge impact in the smiles on people's faces.
I think just creating relationships with people. Obviously there's the medical exposure, and shadowing the doctors is really cool, but really that interaction with the patients, because as pre-meds who mostly do this, that's kind of what you want to practice, that empathy, getting to know and getting to connect with the patients. I think that's super, super valuable.
It's in every smile, every thank you, and every hand held. When you show up, transformation begins.
Esta es una comunidad que no tienes oportunidad de salud, ¿cierto? Tenemos que salir como 1 hora para poder ir a un centro médico.
Soy paciente que me acabo de atender con los doctores de la brigada y bueno, yo le agradezco mucho que haya venido porque lo necesitaba, ¿no?
Pienso que esto es muy bueno, esas giras médicas que vengan siempre pues anuando, porque ayuda bastante un poco a la comunidad en cuanto a atención que se requiere.
New chapters start with bold choices. Will you take the next step to join us in Panama?
Nada se compara en esta vida a vivir las cosas uno mismo. Tú puedes leer, puedes estudiar, puedes tratar de aprender de manera autodidáctica, pero hasta que tú no lo hagas tú mismo y tú mismo no tengas la experiencia, nunca vas a tener una educación integral. Así que atrévanse, háganlo.
It's really important to know is at the end of the day, the people that you come and see, they're so thankful to see you. So having that moment and being part of this beautiful community is so important, and being able to have that is the best thing that you can do.
If you're undecided on coming on this trip, my one piece of advice is one word: come. It's one of the greatest experiences. You gain so much, you learn a lot, and you create relationships that will last a lifetime.
Are you ready to create impact? Join us on a brigade and you will be able to make real, tangible impact in underserved communities.